Tired of your Discord messages looking like a jumbled wall of text? I'm going to show you a simple trick to insert line breaks and make your messages much more readable in just a few seconds. Let's take a look at this example message. See how everything is crammed together. It's hard to follow. Now, the most basic way to create a new line is by pressing the Enter key, just like you would in any text editor, but in Discord. Pressing Enter sends the message immediately. The secret is to hold down the Shift key while you press Enter. This tells Discord you want a new line without sending the message. Let's try it. Type your first sentence, then hold Shift and press Enter. Notice how the cursor jumps to a new line. Now you can continue typing your message, adding as many line breaks as you need to separate your thoughts and create clear paragraphs. If you're on mobile, the process is exactly the same. Just use the Return or Enter key on your phone's keyboard while composing the message. See the difference? Line breaks instantly make your messages easier to read and digest. Use this trick to make your Discord chats more organized and engaging. Your friends will thank you. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Happy chatting.